Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will talk about how to fix Roblox not installing on PC. In order to fix Roblox not installing on your PC, first we need to know if your PC meets the minimum requirements to run the game. So by going to the Roblox website, you can see the minimum system requirements that are needed for running Roblox. So as an operating system requirement, it requires a 64-bit version of Windows 7, 8.1 or 10. For hardware requirements, you need a graphics card that at least supports DirectX 10 or higher, and a dedicated video card is required. The processor should be at least 1.6 GHz or better. The RAM should be at least 1 GB, and that's it. After doing that, go to Control Panel or Windows Defender Firewall and just turn off Windows Defender Firewall on your PC. So to do that, just turn off both of these settings and hit OK after that. Now we'll delete the temporary files in our PC. To do that, open Run, type %temp%, then hit OK. Now select all the files in here and hit delete to delete these files. After doing these steps, your Roblox will be installing perfectly. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.